Let's tingnan natin yung dala ni Pana, guys. Rope sausage. Oh my God, there's rope sausage.
Yeah.
Oh my God, ayun guys. Kadadating lang niya.
Look at these babies.
Look at the apples. Ano imo naman yung gikuha nga green pa man eh. Hala guys, dagko kayong apple guys. Kini nga apple. Kuan ka ng last year, dagko ka istanan. Grabe ka huge. Tapos huge gyapon siya pero ano iya naman yung gipanguha nga green pa man eh. Wala siya masyadong bunga this year kasi nga nag second frost nung April. Ayan oh. Pero ano natin yan.
Here.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh
Here.
my God. More?
Get your coffee out of here.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, is this the cucumber
Yeah.
from my garden?
Looks like me.
Oh my God, guys. Ang laki ng cucumber. This one, what's this? Oh, ito yung sinabi niya kahapon sa akin na nag-ano na daw yung mga mushroom. Yung central mushroom, guys. Ayan, guys. Kumuha siya ng konti, guys. Dinalhan niya ako ng mushroom. Ayan. So, next week, pupunta ako doon next week kasi mangunguha ako ng mushroom. Ayan guys, green pa man eh babe. Anong ipon naman ang gikuha? Tapos dinalhan din niya ako ng itlog. Bumili niya naman siya ng itlog.
Look at this.
What
This
is it?
Chuck roast. I want to make some beef adobo.
Oh.
That's
Wow.
a whole chuck roast,
Let's
baby.
see. This is chuck roast guys. Chuck
It's a
roast.
big old hunk.
So, chicken na naman. My favorite chicken.
You want
Masarap
this?
kasi yung yes. Masarap kasi yung chicken sa doon sa countryside kasi ang lasa, masarap ang lasa, hindi tulad dito. Ayan, chicken from wood, sweet bitsy wood smoke from woods. Ayan. More chicken bone-in.
Bone and chicken
Chicken
thighs.
thigh.
And
Tapos,
3 eggs.
ground beef. Ayan. Masarap yung ground beef nila. Hindi malansa. Ayan, ground beef. More ground beef. Tapos, another rope sausage. Wow, first time ko nakaano ng rope sausage. Parang siyang rope, oh. Kasi ang taas niya. Ayan guys, yung dala niya guys. Tapos, 3 dozens eggs. Tag $2 lang yung yung eggs doon. Yung madadaanan namin galing sa sa cabin. Ayan, dumadaan siya tapos bumibili. Drive-thru, nilalagay sa cooler na may ice. Tapos pag wala na siya, yung last na yung dozen na empty na yung bucket, iaano namin yung sign. Ibabalik rin namin para yung iba malaman nila na sold out. Ayan. Guys, pasok ko to sa sa basement kasi mayroong freezer sa basement na maliit. Doon to. Pero ewan ko ano lulutuin niya ngayon. Ayan, dumating siya guys alas 10:35 a.m. Ayan. Today is Tuesday, August 17. Nak, today is 17 or 18? 18 today kay tomorrow start. We have staff meeting tomorrow, mga employees meeting sa sa food services. Meeting namin bukas kaya tomorrow is 19. Today
Couldn't
is
shoot my
18.
bow because
Ayan,
I
guys,
couldn't
oh.
find my thing.
Yun guys, yung ating mushroom. Tapos yung mga apple, green pa man eh. Yan naman yung gikuha in town. Yun guys. What's this one? Tapos ito yung kamatis ko guys. So, lagi na ako nagpapak ng kamatis. Ayan. Thank you guys. Ayan na naman si Julio.